Alright guys, so let's see if she does what she's supposed to do. Oh yes! First time I've bought a tool thinking it wasn't gonna work, and it freaking worked. Yeah. Yes. Hold on, let me get an extension. Too much oomph. Those are the most difficult ones. Yeah, success. Ah, that's a good feeling, guys. So we'll remove that, and we got a little bit of cleaning to do and some touch-up painting to do. Nothing major. Let's set this right there. Don't need you. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and remove this back here. Wonder how hard it's gonna be. What's going on, guys? So it's Saturday morning, and yep, gonna finish up this here beauty here. So first off, I just want to let y'all know that this isn't gonna be any kind of like, this isn't a tutorial on how to rebuild a 4L60E. I'm just showing you me doing it, and there's gonna be some parts that I don't put in. Like, I'm afraid of this valve body. I'm gonna mess with it, but that's probably gonna be last. What I'm actually gonna do is, I'm gonna remove this. Obviously, I'll remove the oil filter here. Or well, not really oil filter, but the filter. So, but yeah, I mean, I'm gonna probably remove. I believe I have to remove this solenoid right here. And I have to remove this solenoid to get to this one right here, so that I can remove it before I actually remove the pump and everything on the inside. I also have to remove the servo here before I do that, before I remove all that stuff as well. But once I do that, I can actually remove these internals without taking off the valve body at the time. I will have to take it off because there is some stuff that I gotta replace, but I'm saving that for later. I don't want to have to touch that until I absolutely have to. It's just, I'm not a big fan of automatic transmissions, and the part that always scares me is inside there. So yeah, we're gonna try to stay away from it as much as possible. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna begin by removing this O-ring here. Let me get me a pick. I got a pick, but I got a little tiny screwdriver that'll do the trick just fine. Yeah, this thing's gonna have to get replaced. It's all dry rotted. I mean, you wouldn't be able to see it. There's no cracks in it, but for right now, to the side, we're not worried about it though. Alright, so let's see here. Gonna move this out the way. One thing we gotta do, we gotta remove this right here. That's the servo. ever since Red Bull came out with these flavored Red Bulls right here, oh man, this one is, if you haven't tried it, this is the watermelon. And be careful though, the first sip is very sour. After that it's fine, but your initial taste of it is just like, man, that's sour, but it's so good. And I mean, they got cranberry, blueberry. I don't like the original flavor. I drank it so much, Jaeger bombs and whatnot. And yeah, these flavored ones, these are awesome. But I digress. Just like that. We'll set this aside. We'll clean it up. So once you get to this point, alright, so you see that blue O-ring in there? What you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to kind of get up in there and grab it. Don't want to damage it, so I may have to go get my actual pick. I didn't want to go get it, but I don't want to damage it, so. Alright, I'm under it. I'm under it now. Alright, so basically, you're just going to want to pull it. See how I got it pulled out like that? Alright, I'm going to sit you back over here so I can do this. Alright, so you see I got it where I had it, and then it comes right on out. You see there's no damage to the O-ring, which I'll probably be replacing it anyways, but yeah. I'm trying to keep this place somewhat clean. Alright, so we're going to try to keep everything together. So as it comes out, so as it came out just like this, we're going to put this back together. We want all of this to go back in together, because let's say you flip one of these around, put it in wrong, you're either going to have way too much line pressure or way too little line pressure. I'm not sure which one. Neither one of them's good. So, and that's the return spring right there. So we're going to keep all that together. We're going to set that over here with that clip, because we're done with that right there. Get up in here and clean this stuff up. Go ahead and clean it up now, that way whenever we're done we can just reassemble. There we go. So, give you a shot inside there. Yeah, so as you can see, hold on. You can't really see, but I'll help you out here. So as you can see up inside there, that's what it looks like. And there it is stacked up with the ring. Like I said, what I'm gonna do is everything that comes out, I'm gonna line it up as it comes out, so that way I can remember how it goes back in. That's just the video also be, a good way of showing me how it went back in too. But this right here, it's just my process. All right, get you back here where you can see. All right, so got that taken loose. We still got to take loose up here. Let's see here. There is a clip. There is a clip right there that you got to remove, and then there is a clip over here that you're supposed to remove. Of course, I'm trying to figure out how you're supposed to remove it from up here. Like that one I can see being removed. But that one, which I think it's just this one that you gotta remove. You gotta remove this one so that you can remove this. So that way then you could remove this. So I'm gonna see about getting this off. I gotta remove that clip right there. And then I do believe these are 10mm or 8mm. We'll find out here in a minute. Alright guys, so I was able to actually take the valve and turn it up. And so what I do is just gotta remove this little wiring harness here. And hold your finger on that clip though, because it's very springy. Unless you want it to go shooting off. You're like wondering where the hell it went. And then just be gentle. So that there's the cylinder we're pulling out. And we're pulling it out so that we can get to these 10mm right here. That's what I believe they are. We're about to find out. 10. They are 10. Pop these off my hand. They're not that hard. Alright, now that that's done, we can just grab this side and pull it on up. Boom. And we'll just sit that right there for right now. So, alright, let's make sure we double check everything's out that we need out. Looks like it. Alright, so let's just turn this thing back around. Alright, so we got these bolts right here that we're about to remove. Boom, boom, boom. Double check inside here and take a look. Yep, okay. I do believe I found that those were 1/2 inch. Hang on. I gotta go get some. I gotta go power on the air. What's going on, guys? So yeah, got it. Here we go. So got the planetary gears, and here's the sun gears. We gotta remove this tail shaft to replace it with this tail shaft, which is the two-wheel drive tail shaft. But we got some. There's a lock ring right there. You see that yellow? You see that yellow one there? That's actually the ring. So we got it. I could never find any of the flat style snap ring pliers, so we're gonna have to go with the next best thing, and that's making our own, which is gonna be fun. So that's why I got. I'll show you guys. So I got these right here. I'm planning on grinding them down, making them flat to where I can use them for what I need. And yeah, let's see what happens. Alright guys, so basically what I did here was just flattened off, made it flat because it's just the flat rings, it's not the ones with the holes in it. So I just flattened it out, and I'm hoping she's going to do the trick. But get you a look at that. Also, let me find my flashlight right in front of my face. Hang on.